Okay, you guys, I have secured the wig. This is the exact one she chose, the winner. And I'm so excited for her. I'm excited for me that I got it done.
Audio Jungle.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode. First of all, Happy New Year, 新年快乐. I know it's been a really long time. 好久不见, long time no see. But enough of that. We are working on some new things all 2022. Okay, so I have this one subscriber. She was not playing about me and making sure y'all got this giveaway. So I have my answer key for all the people who entered, and we're going to make it as fair as possible, and we're just gonna bingo it up. So I've already stirred these, but if you guys want to see on camera. Okay, so right now it's locked. I'm just gonna stir it up so that it can get a good shuffle. And the first one that comes out is the winner, and the giveaway is closed. I didn't add any more people after the new year. So, you know, everybody who entered early, you got in. I wrote you down. I've seen you all. I appreciate it. I feel like y'all are my babes, my babies. So anyway, oh, something popped out. Okay. I'm not gonna look at it because there's some other two popped out as well. So let me close it. So let me keep an eye on it. Do the other way. Okay, now I'm gonna open it. It's open now. I'm nervous. My heart is pitter-pattering, you know? My heart is pitter-pattering for you guys. This is big. Hold up. And the winner is, let's see, B1. Okay, that is Joya21. But congratulations, Joya. It's like J-O-I 3 A's 21. Congratulations, you are the winner. And yeah, you go, girl. B1, the very first one. B1. Okay. All right, y'all. Thank y'all. Thanks for everybody who entered. It really meant a lot to see that type of activity. I read each of you guys' comments about what you guys want to see moving forward. I'm taking note, okay? And yeah, I can't wait to see what 2021 has to offer. Thank you guys so much for entering, and I'm gonna reach out to that winner. So, okay. Okay, you guys, I have secured the wig. I'm so excited for her. I'm excited for me that I got it done. But I'm excited for her. Congratulations, and thank you all so much for participating. Just so you know, there will be a warehouse giveaway for all of those that are in the Atlanta area or has a private label near you guys. There's one coming up this month. They don't know the exact date yet, but just if you wanted to win and didn't win, keep an eye out for that, because then I think they said that might be on there. But I didn't want to put the giveaway off any longer because it was taking so long. And I wanted to wait for the warehouse sale, but it is what it is. You know, I just want to give back to you guys because y'all give me life. And, well, God gives me life, but y'all, you know, are holding me accountable, making sure your girls, you know, back in the YouTube game. So, you know, I saw all of you guys' comments and ideas for future videos, and I'm taking each and every one of those into account. I plan on getting to my 1,000 subscribers this year. So be on the lookout. Share me with your little friends, y'all. Y'all can do that. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for joining me in the royal court, because I know I didn't preface the video with that. I hope to see you guys in another episode. And I love y'all. So here's to 2020. 2022. And I can't wait to see what this year has to hold, especially for the YouTube journey. And yeah, that's it for the wig game right now. Bye.
My little giveaway.